Hi, we're here unboxing the 2019 surprise for July from Smile, Create, Repeat. Let's see what's in this. All right, we got a bunch in there. Wow, that's nice. I'll start with we got 2 postcards, a nice gouache avocado, Smile, Create, Repeat sticker. The the Possibilities, Smile, Create, Repeat pencil, so you know where you got these awesome supplies. And here we are, we got tissue paper, all kinds of stuff. We have the creative card, which tells you about all the supplies. And then it gives you a demonstration and a lesson on the back, walking you through this illustration with the supplies included, which is really valuable because you don't watch and then go, oh, what is he using? You know what he's using, it's right here in your hands. So that's pretty awesome. We have General's compressed charcoal sticks. You got a 3-pack here. Awesome. That'll give you really dark charcoal marks. And the nice thing about these is there's flat, sharp edges, so you can really do it more like a painter, where you make marks instead of really drawing like you will with the vine charcoal, which we'll talk about later. You can use these flat edges to make flat marks, broad strokes. We do that in the demonstration and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. You have this vine charcoal, which is made up of, it's a 3-pack also, so you're getting a ton in this box already. These little sticks, and you sharpen those. You can use one of the little pencil sharpeners, a razor blade. If you go to our blog, we do have a blog post on sharpening charcoal that can help you out. But this would be used for drawing academically, where you draw the shape of it, then the shadow shapes, then color them in and really refine it that way. And you'll see that in the demonstration video. So, and those are probably one of my favorite. I think probably my favorite charcoal, vine charcoal. Nitram is also a great one, but Winsor Newton, I love that one. This is Grumbacher. This is a ginormous vine charcoal stick. We don't use it in the demo, but in the video I talk about how I'm going to do another video with this, showing how to use it on a big piece of paper, because that is a massive piece of charcoal. So I'm excited to show you that in a future video. And then we got more in here. You got to be kidding. We have our Kimberly pencil. That's an 8B, so that's going to be also a soft, dark mark-making pencil. We love those, you know. You must probably have a whole set real soon, or you will if you just start. We have this Primo white charcoal pencil to go along with the toned paper, which we'll talk about in just a couple seconds. And I love using white charcoal with the black on toned paper. This is a Prang charcoal pencil, and this has this string here and there's paper. So as you're going, you unwrap the paper to expose more charcoal. And the nice thing about this is it keeps the pencil stronger and keeps your hands clean while using it, which is kind of nice. The tissue paper is just to protect your toned charcoal paper. And we gave you 2 big sheets of gray toned paper. This is Fabriano. It's a charcoal paper, as I said numerous times, I believe. And we left them big. Sometimes we give you smaller pieces, but we left them big because we have the big charcoal. And for my demonstration, I cut them in half because of time constraints, and that's just the size I wanted to work with. So there you go. That is the July 2019 surprise art supply subscription box from Smile, Create, Repeat. Hope you love it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, sound like customer service, please leave a comment in the comments, or of course email us with any of your questions at Smile, Create, Repeat. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy. Have a great month.